Hello viewers, in this video we want to discuss the predictions of Nostradamus. Many believe that Nostradamus has correctly predicted many important events throughout history, from revolutions to famous wars. This mysterious French astrologer made more than 6,338 prophecies in which he predicted the date, place and manner of major changes in our world. In the following, we will examine some prophecies of Nostradamus for 2023 to see which one will become reality or is close to reality. Please support me by liking and subscribing at the end of the video. Nostradamus writes in a worried tone. 7 months of the Great War, people die from horrible things. Many consider these sentences to be Nostradamus' prophecy of World War III, which originates from the war in Ukraine. Or it could refer to an ongoing conflict between China and Taiwan that could push the United States into a devastating nuclear war. Nostradamus says that the city of Rouen in France will survive this apocalyptic event. Rouen, Aurochs will not be conquered by the king. Nostradamus said in another prophecy about 2023, heavenly fire on the royal palace. Many have interpreted this prophecy as saying that a new world order will be formed from the ashes of the current civilization. Others have interpreted it as the end of history or the beginning of a new world order. Among the predictions made by Nostradamus for 2023 is the replacement of Pope Francis with a new pope. He says that Pope Francis is the last true pope and that his successor will cause scandal in the last trial of the Holy Roman Church. There will be a Roman Peter who will satisfy his followers in the midst of much suffering, and then from him the city of 7 hills will be destroyed and a terrible judge will judge the people. The French forecaster also says about the more important event of 2023, light will fall on Mars. Some have interpreted these words as the backward movement of this planet in the sky, and others believe that humans have approached the inhabited structure of the red planet. Elon Musk has clearly announced his interest in sending humans to Mars and has said that humans will land on Mars by 2029. Maybe this billionaire will land humans on Mars ahead of schedule in 2023. Nostradamus announces the new alliance of 2 great powers. In his writings, Nostradamus says that this new alliance will be between a strong man and a weak man, and even between a male leader and a female leader. Contrary to expectations, this alliance has gone well, but unfortunately its positive effects do not last long. The Third World War, the life of human colonies on Mars, the scandal of the new pope, the alliance between 2 powerful world leaders and the solar storm of Nostradamus' predictions for 2023.